During our last trip to Michael's, I came across these two stainless steel coffee mugs which were on sale. So I came up with this idea of making his and hers coffee mugs using my Cricut machine. So that'll be a wonderful gift for remembering for Valentine's Day. So for this project, I'm planning to use these two shades of permanent vinyl for two different messages on either side of the mug, and also I'll be using this transfer paper. This transfer paper I'll be using to transfer the design from the mat to the cup. Here in the design studio, so I have these images and I have resized them for each of these images to be of 3 inches wide and 3 inches height, and the same for this one as well, to be 3 by 3. And for his desks, I have it resized to 2 inches by 1.5. So the same thing for hers. So the idea is to have this message on one side and this on the other side of the mug. I have cut these vinyls into pieces which will be able to accommodate the patterns that I have. So for the red, I have the size as a bit more than 3 by 3 so that the design can come inside. So I have 2 pieces of this. And then regarding the gold, I again have something that is wider and longer than 2 by 1.5. And also I did cut pieces of the transfer paper accordingly so that I can transfer the peg. So now I'm going to use this standard grip mat for the vinyl, and I'm going to put this vinyl on top of this and then do my cuts using my Cricut machine. So for this cut, I have the vinyl loaded on the mat, and on the Cricut designer for the cut operation, I have selected the base material as vinyl as well. And then I'm going to use this fine point blade in order to do the cut operation. And for this next cut, I have the golden shaded vinyl loaded on my standard grip mat, and I'm going to cut his pattern on this. So now I have all of my patterns cut on the vinyl. So I have the message for tea in this vinyl, and I have the message for coffee in this vinyl, and then I have his here and I have hers here. So now I'm going to weed it using my weeding tool, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to use this transfer paper in order to move this into this mug. patterns weeded, and now the next step is I'm going to use this transfer paper to transfer this pattern into this mug. So now I have got the whole pattern transferred from the vinyl backing to my transfer paper. So now I'm going to transfer this to my cup. This message or his on the opposite side here of on the opposite side. So this one goes like this. This mug with his on this side and this on that side. So we have a Valentine's his cup ready with the message. Okay, so we have the message on the cup, and the next thing is to transfer this one on the other side of the cup here. So I have this on my transfer paper, and now I'm gonna put this here. I want to make sure that I put it in the same location as this one. So just trying to keep them aligned here, so they're almost at the same height. I have my his and hers coffee mugs with two messages, one for coffee and the other for tea. So this project is now completed, and let's see what David thinks about this.
His and hers coffee cups, made with love from my wife, here at StoveTop-Garage. It's a very special Valentine's Day, made from home and made with love. Thank you very much, dear.
Thank you.